Do you have a P1135 on your Tacoma? Bank 1 sensor 1 is located right at the top of your exhaust, and the connector is just above the transmission line. Disconnect the AFR from the main harness. Turn your ignition to the on position. Using a multimeter set to the DC volt scale, test all the pins and record the measurements. You should have had one pin at 12 volts and 3 pins at 3.3 volts. Most of the time they go up to about 2.73. Resistance for the heater circuit is going to be 0.8 to 1.4 ohms at 68 degrees, or 1.8 to 3.2 ohms at 1400 degrees. The current draw for the heater circuit should be above 1/4 amp or less than 8 amps when the circuit is grounded. A 12mm socket will get your nuts off. When reinstalling the new sensor, make sure you use a new gasket and don't over tighten the nuts. Reinstall your connector to the main harness. Clip that into place just above that transmission line. Next, go ahead and clear your codes, test drive the vehicle, and just pop back in and make sure that the monitor for the heater circuit has completed. Thank you guys for watching. Please hit that subscribe button if you got some value out of this content.